Hello everybody, I hope all is well. This video is going to be a quick introduction or a quick walkthrough on how to use our new Notion journal to keep track of all your metrics and all your trades. It's very simple, so let's get right into it. So first, you're going to start off with this action button right here on the left. You're going to press add win or loss. Then you're going to come over to this trade journal table over on the right. We're just going to scroll down a bit. And first, we're going to select the market we traded. And with that, you have indices, metals, or energy. I'm going to press indices to show the trade I took today. Then it's going to ask us for the ticker. Today, I took a short on YM. So I'm going to select YM. Right after that, it's going to ask for our position. Then our market profile today was a 6 a.m. reversal. Then it's going to ask us for our entry technique. Today I took a regular SysD. Then it's going to ask us what type of Kraken correlation did we have. Today I used a PSP and SMT. And then for a volatility driver, it was only the New York Open. And then session was New York AM. Context, it was a reversal trade. So I'm going to select reversal. Then for R, this trade was around like 3.5 RR for me. So I'm going to select that. And then I'm also going to check off that it was a win, right? So after you filled all of that out for your trade, you can scroll down here into your calendar and you can actually see that it's going to show that it was a win. It's going to show that it was a win here. It's going to say you were short. It's going to say on what asset and what time. And if you want to actually get to the nitty gritty, you could press here and go to metrics. And you could scroll down. You'll see on indices now, it shows that I have one total trade, one win at an 100% win rate. And my average RR is around 3.5. And it's even going to show me my win rate for the type of entry technique I have, the type of Kraken correlation, and what type of market context. All right, let's play around. Now I'm going to add a loss to this table so you guys could see what it would look like if I took a loss. So let's pretend, like, the sake of versatility, that the trade I took was on metals, which I did not take this trade, but just for an example. And let's say that was a gold trade. And let's say I tried a long gold. Let's say it was a 10 a.m. reversal. And I used a ICISD as the entry technique, a PSP and SMT, let's just do a SMT as my Kraken correlation. Let's say there was AM Red Folders news and the 9:30 open. Let's say it was New York AM session. Context, let's say it was a continuation. Or no, context, let's say it's a reversal. RR, let's say I lost 2. Or let's say I lost 1 R. And let's mark it out as a loss. Now you see when I come down to the calendar, it's going to also show that gold loss for me. Very sleek and organized. And when you come to your metrics here, you see now it's going to say I have 2 trades at a 50% win rate with a total of 1.25 R. For my market profile statistics, it's going to show that I have a 100% win rate and a 0% win rate for a 10 a.m. reversal. It's also going to show the amount of trades I've taken, the amount of trades I've won, and the amount of trades I've lost. Same exact thing for the entry technique statistics, the Kraken correlation, and the market context statistics. We're going to have the exact same data here on the sessions, the volatility statistics, and the ticker statistics. All of this is very cool because you actually get to see the very in-depth context to all your trading data. Things like TradeZella and stuff are cool because it's automatic, but having a physical journal that you get to put in what trades you took and then reading through your data is very helpful, I believe. Even if you use TradeZella, I think this is an amazing tool if you're within Lathyrus. And if you enjoyed this, let me know if this was helpful. And remember that this journal is only exclusive inside Lathyrus. Thank you for watching.